Hello everyone, I am Nilanjan Datta.
Hello everyone, I am Ankit Sharma.
Hello everyone, I am Shibana Sharkar.
Hello everyone, I am Rohan Banerjee.
Our project is AI-based diet consultant app. Health is wealth is a very well-known proverb, but sometimes amid of our busy schedule, we just forget to give utmost priority to our health, which may lead us to very dangerous consequences. So, the main aim of our project is to build a responsive application which can help people to live a very healthy life. For that, people need to eat, drink in a very well-mannered way. At the same time, good proportion of protein, carbohydrate, and other essentials should be taken care of. Here, the importance of the AI-based diet consultant comes into the picture, which can make intelligent decisions, explore flavor options, as well as suggest best alternatives.
The first problem what we have faced is healthy living. Nowadays, living healthy and getting a proper diet chart is challenging for every single person. Every time you won't be able to get the proper diet chart as you want. Next is hiring cost. If you want to hire a diet consultant, then sometimes it cannot be so budget friendly. You need to pay much amount for them to hire them. Next is dependency, consultant dependency. If you are hiring a doctor or something diet consultancy, then you need to always depend on them. Suppose you want to eat something or you want to do something, then you need to always get connected to them by phone or via SMS or via WhatsApp, anything. So sometimes it's become a dependency. Then it's food limits. So those who are suffering from some kind of disease, they are not allowed to eat some foods that whatever they want to eat. So this kind of limitations are there. And last and not the least, the monotonic diet plan. So if a diet consultant is giving up your diet, then he or she maybe some recommend some very few amounts of food. So in that case, the diet chart will be so monotonic.
To solve the problem, we, Team Cygnus, have come out with a solution called AI Dietitian, an AI based diet consultant app. In the proposed solution, we have considered some points like free registration. Here, no subscription will be required. It is completely free for the user. User just needs to fill up very basic informations like height, weight, etc. Flexible timing is also considered here. The user can access the diet plan according to his or her convenience. Our proposed solution is very much cost effective and easy to use even for the technically novice person. No monotonic chat will be here because the user can avail variety of diet charts according to his or her convenience or taste.
Why AI based diet? First of all, it is budget friendly and it is normally difficult to consult dietitian on a daily weekly basis. And we can get diet recommendation anytime with the help of this application. It can monitor our food habits and daily calorie consumptions and provide us with recommendation according to our food habits.
Here are the steps that how we have implement the solution. So first step, the first part is being select a diet plan for the individuals. Here the user need to fill up some form during sign up, and then he needs to fill up his basic details. In the second step, the user need to fill up some details like his gender, height, weight, age, and about his workout. I mean, how much amount of workout he or she does in a single day. Next, third step, based on the user input, the AI algorithm will prepare the 4 meal diet plan. Next, in the fourth step, the diet plan will be showed in the display screen with the plan changing button. And in the fifth step, on clicking the change the plan button, the algorithm will provide another chart with the same amount of calories intake as the previous one.
Our algorithm consists of 5 steps: calculation of required calorie from age, height, weight, gender, and exercise per day, dividing that calculated calorie by 3 parts for meal of the 3 timings. Then we are generating meals with the help of RNN model. Then we are validating the meal for the required calorie amount, and then we are finalizing the diet chart. So this is the algorithm for calculating the calorie amount from weight, height, age, exercise amount, and gender. From there, we are calculating the amount of calorie and then dividing it into 3 parts for each meal. After that, we are generating a new meal plan with the help of RNN model. This is a sample of possible food series. We are validating it with the help of calorie database.
So this is how the apps work. You are seeing the app in the home screen, that AI dietitian. Now we are opening the dietitian app. So in there you will need to fill up some basic details. Suppose male and female, your gender, age, weight, height, and the exercise limit. Suppose something. So I am filling the male details, and now I'm 22 years age and my weight is suppose 75 kgs, and now my height, we have to put the height in centimeters. So suppose I am 170 centimeter long. Then the workout plan I am choosing. So you can see the list over here, that suppose how much of workout you can do in a single week. So that is the limit. Then you have to set the limit of your workout plans or something like that. So I have chosen a one, and now I am generating the output. Suppose breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. The 4 meal diet plan is here. Now if you click on the blue button that is showing in the rightmost corner, okay, so if I am clicking on this, the diet plan will be automatically changed. So this is how the app works. So I am getting the 3 diet plans. Suppose I don't love the first one, then I can move to the second one. So this is how the app works.
Our health is determined by the type of diet we have and the amount of exercise we do. 70% of our diet is responsible for our health. So we need to be conscious of our food habits, and with the help of this app we can take our food habits to the next level. Following a proper diet will reduce our medical cost and improve our health.